In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Canva so you can generate designs, draft visuals, create social posts, and send creative ideas straight into Canva without leaving your ChatGPT conversation. This integration makes your workflow incredibly fast because ChatGPT can help brainstorm, write, and then instantly push your ideas into ready-to-edit Canva templates. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. It works on both the desktop app and the browser version, so use whichever one you prefer. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This opens all of your account tools and integrations. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a section called Apps and Connectors. This is where all third-party apps live, and it's also where you manage your connections. Go ahead and click Apps and Connectors. Scroll down the list until you find Canva. Click on it to open the Canva connection page. You'll see a short description explaining what this integration allows you to do: generate visuals, create templates, and send designs directly from ChatGPT into your Canva account. Click Connect or Authorize. If you aren't logged into Canva yet, you'll be asked to sign in so ChatGPT can link to your Canva workspace. Approve the authorization, and within a few seconds, the connection will be active. Now return to your main chat window. This is where you can finally start using Canva inside ChatGPT. Just type a prompt like, Canva, create a modern Instagram post about healthy eating. Design a minimalist logo for a photography brand. Generate a YouTube thumbnail for a tech review video. ChatGPT will instantly open a Canva project for you, complete with layouts, fonts, and design elements, ready for editing inside your Canva account. You can even refine your request, adjust colors, or ask for different variations, and ChatGPT will update the Canva output accordingly. This integration is perfect for content creators, marketers, business owners, teachers, and anyone who needs professional-looking visuals fast. And that's it. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon, go to Settings, open Apps and Connectors, find Canva, authorize it, then come back to the chat and start creating designs instantly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.